Hello everybody, welcome to the Mystery Steamboat channel. If you subscribed already, a big thumbs up to you. If you're not subscribed, there's a button for subscriptions, there's a little bell for notifications when I upload a new video. I do have a little card trick today. I've got some cards here. I'll tell you what I'll do, if I do some cutting, I'm going to try and cut them like that, just make it a little bit easier for me to pick them back up really. Because if I put them on the laptop, they might go all over the place. And then, yeah, they're not really going to be cut, or they'll be shuffled, but I don't want to shuffle them, I just want to cut them really. The cutting is really just to sort of make show, or to sort of show you they're really randomised really, isn't it? Really randomised. So let's do one more. Let's do it solidly that way. I can't even cut the cards properly because there's not actually that many cards here really. So, what we do is we just put down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over there, and you can see that there's 6 cards over there as well, so we'll just put them over there. So let me just straighten up the laptop on there, straighten up the card decks a minute. Now if you was here, you could pick out which deck of cards you would like. Would you like that set or that set? What I'm going to do is, my friend on the internet, Twitter and YouTube is Nathan Staker. I do apologise if I've mispronounced that name. I can get Nathan right, I presume it is Staker. But he was very kind, he sent me 2 badges. Look at these badges he sent me. 2 badges. So that one's like a little Christmassy one there, and that one is like a Sorcerer Mickey hat, yeah? So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to look what they are, I'm going to kind of like sort of juggle in my hands. What I'm going to do is, the one that is the Santa hat, that's going to be the left pile, and the Sorcerer hat is the right pile. So I've got to try and remember them now, haven't I? So I'll do a little bit of shaking up there. I can't see what's going on there at all. I can hear a lot of noise, and I'm going to take out that one there. So I don't know what it is there. So what did I say? Do I put that there so I don't see it? I won't see that one. So we say if it's I can't remember what I said now. If it's the Santa hat, we take it off that pile. Sorcerer hat, we take it off that pile. Yeah. So Santa left, Sorcerer right. Yeah. So what is that? What is that? That is the Santa hat. So it's that one, isn't it? That's that pile. So we'll take a card out there. So we'll just move that out of the way there. That's it. So we'll put your card there a minute. I'll show you these cards in a minute anyway. And what we're now going to do is we're going to sort of like do, take one off the top, one off the bottom, put that one, say there. And we'll take one over there, we'll put it there. We'll take one over there, put it there. I'm trying to make it a little bit nice and presentable there. And one more there. And that leaves me one card. And I'll put that card with the card that you picked out, yeah? So that's there. So when I lift these up now, because, you know, Nathan sent me 2 lovely badges, and they are a perfect match. Well, there's Nathan's card that he picked out, and that's the card that goes with it. And I do believe that is a perfect match, is it not? Yes, it is. And then if I pick up those 2 cards, you can see there that, what are those cards there? I do believe they are a perfect match as well. Let's lift up these 2 cards here and look at these 2 cards there. Oh my goodness, that's another little perfect match there, isn't it? It's a perfect match. So let's just try those 2 there. What are they? They seem to be another perfect match, don't they? This is going really well, isn't it? We've only got 2 little sets to go, because that one there is another perfect match. And there's the final one there, to say that that is a perfect match. So that, my friend, is magic.